Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the Such stands for EDC gear. Today we have What Am I Flipping? And what I am flipping is the Damn Designs Oni XL. Has a front flipper, thumb hole, reverse thumb hole, move this back for you guys. Very hydraulically smooth. Tip up, right or left. Got the gist. And it has a filler tab for the other side that's not in use. It is stone washed 14C, a 28N blade steel. Get it to focus. And Damn Designs logo is like a ram with knives as the logo for the ram to make up the ram's head. Come on. Yellow G10. Scales. Just fidgety as all to be. Just very fidgety. I don't know. Let me know what you think of this knife in the comment section below. And if you have one, how does it work for you? Let me know in the comment section below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Look out for the guy girl to your left. Look out for the guy girl to your right. Hashtag be up. Hashtag DSKFS. Choose love, not hate. Enjoy your friends, your family, your pets, your yummy music, your yummy food, your music, your video games, and remember to use your sharp blades. Bye.